So it's Tuesday morning and we're out here for sunrise. And Chad's over here and he hasn't stopped complaining about the fish eating his feet. You can kind of see him over there. He's talking to himself and to the camera about little fish touching his feet.
And Little Redfish Lake are trying to eat the hair on my leg. And it's kind of weird. They're coming back, look. Oh, that's a great shot, look at them. Oh, I just took my phone in the water. Oops.
He's like a child.
I thought I was getting a really good shot. I was, because my phone was slightly submerged.
Elsa, give Dad smiles.
I would smile, but you know, egg in my nose.
That's the cute part. And then, yes, sip your coffee. Yes. Very nice.
It was like synchronous.
So here we are at the Salmon River with for Visit Idaho with the River Company. It's me and Madeline's first time.
Jesse and I are rafting newbies, so
Yeah.
we were a little scared by the safety talk, and we're going to leave the shooting to Chad and John today. But we have the GoPro, so
We
there'll
have
be some
one
of that.
job, so hopefully we don't
have one
mess it
job.
up.
But we're going to try to get some sweet GoPro shots for Idaho tourism.
You don't have to cheer for me, you just have to cheer. Yeah, like one of those. Okay, ready? Here we go. Although this is hard. Wait. All right, here we go. Twins look happier. Why do you girls look so unhappy?
Because we're hungry.
So far it's been a pretty good day. We do wish the sun would come out and cooperate a little bit. A little bit gray here, but you know, that's one thing when you plan these, you can't plan the weather. I mean, I wish I could. I'd be the world's greatest photographer if I could, but you just can't. So we're making the most of it. You know what? A bad day on the river is it's still a good day. So loving it here in Stanley.
Amen to that.
Amen.
Thanks, Patrick, for pushing and pulling.